Hello, my name is Amarjit Parma. I am from Chinwada. I currently have pursuing my BTech degree from Sistek College, Bhopal with 6.98 CGPA. I have a strong foundation as a full stack developer, particularly with Marne Stack, along with proficient in Next.js, Payload, CMS, Java, SQL, and object-oriented programming. I have completed 3 month internship at a Biopro Technologies as a full stack developer and DevOps intern, where I build the Marne-based application and implement CI/CD pipelining and Azure Server. Currently, I'm working the Deepatics Private Limited, where working as a AI automation and full stack developer. Also, I have worked on several real world projects. First one is the CRTD, a business collaboration website that connect the companies and client, where I have integrated DevOps and AIML features, automation and scalability. Second one is Environment is same like a Zomato website, a delivery logistics platform like similar to the Zomato, which connect with the warehouse shops, delivery agents, customer, and that manage orders, real-time tracking. And then third one is a job hunt, a modern job platform with connection job seekers and employer with the authentication job postings and employment. Also, these experience have strengthened my skills in front-end, back-end development, API integration, and database management, while also enhancing my ability to build the scalable real-world solution. Additionally, my team technical work, I have a certificate like AI Builder app from Google and cybersecurity from Cisco and Johns Hopkins University. Uh, Now I am seeking opportunity where I can apply my full stack development and DevOps development experience and continuous learning new technology and contribute the impactful project. Thank you.